phonics song. E, 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 E. A is the letter, come sing and play. Elephant stomps with the big gray grin. Eggs in a basket, rolling in a spin. Eagle flies high in the big blue sky. Engine goes vroom as the cars zoom by. E, 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 what do you see? Elephant, egg, and an eagle in a tree. E, 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 clap with glee. Let's learn the letter E with me. Elbow wiggle, ears can hear. Eraser makes the paper clear. 8 little elves dance in a row. E is exciting, now you know. Repeat chorus. E, 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 what do you see? Elephant, egg, and an eagle in a tree. E, 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 clap with glee. Let's learn the letter E with me.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.